Here's a 1929 Ford Model A. Rumble seat roadster, as you can see. Kind of a tan, very light cream color and black. Little bit of brown highlights around it as far as color wise. Still running pretty much all stock running gear, drivetrain and everything. As you can hear, it's a nice running little Model A. I'd call this a decent driver quality one. Paint's in decent shape on it. Interior's nice, rumble seat, everything is nice. See the step for getting up into the back rumble seats. Take a look at the interior. Top on this is also in nice shape. It's just a little easier to do a video of the seats and the interior with the top down. You can check out the still pictures. So the still pictures will show you the underside, engine compartment, the top. Those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, 1929 Ford Model A rumble seat roadster. If you have any questions on this vehicle, please feel free to give us a call. 507-386-1726. Like I said, you can check out any of the still pictures at our website, uniqueclassiccars.com.